students. I am Neeru Saxena, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science. My topic for discussion is half adder and full adder. What are half adder? Half adder is nothing but the combinational logical circuit that is designed by connecting one XOR gate, one AND gate. The half adder is adding two numbers or two inputs A and B, which adds two input digit and generate a carry and a sum operation. So if we talk about the truth table of half adder, then we will be having the two inputs, that is either 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 or 1 1. So if we are going to add these two numbers, 0 plus 0 will give you the sum as 0, but there will not be any carry. If we talk about 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 will give the sum as 1, but there will not be any carry. Same with 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 will give sum as 1 but carry is 0. And if we talk about 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 will give the sum as 0 but carry will be 1. So if we are going to make the block diagram of this, there will be two input A and B. The block diagram shows that it is a half adder which will give two outputs, sum and carry. This is the logical gate. The logical operation sum will give A XOR B, that is represented in the diagram with the XOR gate, and carry is A and B, which is represented by the AND gate within the two inputs. So we will be getting the two outputs, one is sum and one is carry. This is representation of the circuit diagram. Then we comes to full adder. Full adder is nothing but the addition of three bits, A, B and carry input, which will give you carry output as the output, and at the same moment of time sum and carry will be the output which is presented by the full adder. So we can say full adder is the circuit that consists of two XOR gates, two AND gate and one OR gate. Full adder is the adder that adds three input and produces two output, which consist of two XOR gate, two AND gate and one OR gate. If we talk about truth table of full adder, it is the addition of three bits. One is A, another is B and third is C in. C in is the carry input. So if we are going to add three numbers, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0, the sum will be 0 and carry will be 0. If we are going to add 0 plus 0 plus 1, the sum is 1 and carry will be 0. If we are going to add 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is the sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. If we are going to add 0 plus 1 plus 1, as we had seen in the full half adder, that the sum is 0 but the carry will be 1. If we are going to add again 1 plus 0 plus 1, 0, then the sum will be 1 and the carry will be 0. If we are going to add 1 plus 0 plus 1, as the previous case, it is going to produce 0 plus 0 will be the sum and the carry will be the 1. Sum is 0 and carry will be the 1. If we are going again, we are getting the same condition, 1 plus 1 plus 0. That means we are going to add two numbers. That means it is going to give the sum as 0 and carry is 1. Now the third case is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Over here the sum will be 1 and carry will be the 1. So we are going to make the block diagram of this. Block diagram, that means we are going to have two input A and B and third is carry in, which is giving you the output as carry out and sum. Either we can call it carry or sum, or we can call it carry out and sum. Now this is my circuit diagram. Circuit diagram shows two XOR gate, A and B, A XOR B XOR C. That means that we are having three inputs. The three inputs will show two XOR gate, two AND gate and one OR gate. So this simplified version shows the full adder. For the advantages of half adder, half adder, as we know that there are number of bits are low, that is flexible and easy when it comes to design. and it involves the use of fewer logic gates, thus it is cheaper. Now, what are the disadvantages of half adder? Fails to process a carry input from the previously added number. Since it is having only two inputs, we do not have the third input. Second is restricted to the addition of only 2 bits. Now there is the advantage of full adder. Full adder, as we know that we can be able to add 3 bits. It includes one carry input and one carry output, which perform more elaborated computation, and it can be cascaded to produce adders for a number of bits addition, which make it suitable for multi-bit arithmetic. Now, what are the disadvantages of full adder? It is complex and need more gates, hence making the design more complicated and expensive. Yeah, slightly slower because normally two-gate process are used instead of one gate. So this is all about your full adder and half adder. Thank you so much.